Alright, what is up YouTube and welcome back to the bodybuilding blueprint. Finally, I have enough time to continue the series on anabolic steroids, and the first topic that we are going to cover is introduction to anabolic steroids. Well, if you have spent any time in a gym, watched bodybuilding videos or followed fitness influencers online, you have probably heard the term anabolic steroids. Some people see them as a shortcut to build in muscle, others see them as dangerous substances that should be avoided completely. The truth is somewhere in the middle. In this video, we are going to cover what anabolic steroids actually are, why people use them, the difference between natural and enhanced bodybuilding, and the real risks and rewards involved. So, what are anabolic steroids? Anabolic steroids are man-made versions of testosterone. It is the primary male hormone responsible for things like muscle growth, strength, recovery, energy levels, and many male characteristics. Scientists originally developed anabolic steroids for medical purposes. For example, doctor may prescribe certain steroids to help people recover from severe muscle loss, hormone deficiencies, or certain diseases. Over time, athletes and bodybuilders discovered that these compounds could also significantly increase muscle growth and performance. That's when anabolic steroids became popular in the fitness world. Why do people use them? Well, the simple answer, people want results faster. Building an impressive physique naturally takes years of consistent hard work, nutrition, and recovery. Steroids then accelerate the process. Someone using anabolic steroids may experience faster muscle growth, increased strength, better recovery between workouts, and improved performance. Imagine two people following the exact same workout regime. The person using anabolic steroids may recover faster, train harder, and build muscle more quickly than the natural athlete. That's one of the main reasons people choose to use them. Now let's talk about natural versus enhanced bodybuilding. Natural bodybuilding versus enhanced bodybuilding. A natural bodybuilder relies on working out, nutrition, sleep, genetics, supplements like protein powder, and others. An enhanced bodybuilder uses those same tools but also includes performance enhancing substances such as anabolic steroids. Neither approach automatically makes someone a better person or a harder worker. Both requires the discipline. The difference is that enhanced athletes have access to additional tools that can increase muscle building potential beyond what most people can achieve naturally. This is why you will often see physiques at the highest level of bodybuilding that are extremely difficult or sometimes impossible to achieve naturally. Let's talk about the risks and the rewards. Now, for the most important part, let's start with the rewards. Potential benefits may include more muscle mass, more strength, faster recovery, improved workout performance. But these benefits comes with risk. Potential side effects may include hormonal imbalances, increased blood pressure, cholesterol problems, fertility issues, acne and hair loss, mood changes, and long-term cardiovascular risk. The severity of these risks depends on many factors. First, the compounds being used, what are the dosages, duration of use, genetics, what is your overall health, and your monitoring and the blood work. This is why education is so important. Many people only focus on the rewards while ignoring the potential side effects. So at the end of the day, anabolic steroids are simply tools. They are neither magic nor completely harmless. They can help people build more muscle and strength, but they also carry real risks that shouldn't be ignored. In the next video, we will talk about the history of anabolic steroids and how they evolved from medical treatment into one of the most discussed topics in modern bodybuilding. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.